Now on ConnectYu, you can easily sell your products and services to over 20,000 people for free. This is how to sell on ConnectYu. Click on the hamburger tool. Click on my product. You will see add product. Click on it. Fill the product information, which is the product name, the price, the category, the status, the location, the product description, and a photo of your product. When adding the price, understand that 1 cowrie is equivalent to 450 francs CFA. After filling your information, click on publish and your product will be automatically published on the ConnectYu marketplace. The beauty of this is that any of your customers who wish to purchase the product can establish a chat with you on the ConnectYu platform. To access this advantage, you can log on to www.ConnectYu.Africa and start selling. ConnectYu, connecting Africans by Africans.